the Vice Chancellor, Maseno University, and Dr. Roger Stern from Reading University. Am I audible? My duty this morning is to say welcome to everybody to this award ceremony marking the successful ending of statistics made simple. And this was a fully online course. I think this is a milestone for Maseno University. And not just in this region, but I think this is something that is happening for the first time. In fact, there are a lot of universities in the developed part that have not tried this. I remember I was one of those people who were trained by a consultant from Canada on how to write courses for online, teaching and so on. But all those skills are in limbo because not so many of these are happening. So I think this piloting of 6 months, I think makes maybe Betty an example for many of us. Now we know that it can be done. Before you do it, really it can't be done. But for the first time, we have delivered an online course. It's been completed, and people are getting their certification today. Mine is to say welcome to our colleague from Reading, because this was a collaboration between two universities, Maseno University and Reading of the UK. Welcome to this part of the country, but also welcome to this part of the university. I don't know whether you've been to the main campus. I guess so, because the other stand actually stays there. I guess you visited it. So Karibu Sana. This is a ceremony, so we don't want to load speeches on people. I would just welcome the director, e-learning, to make some remarks. And then we'll just be calling these people as they are in the program, if they have the program. And I guess this will be brief remarks and so on, so that later we let the Vice Chancellor deliver his speech. Let's make it a bit warm. When I'm stepping away from the mic, you give me a clap.
Thank you very much, Director here. And I wish to welcome all of you to this brief ceremony. I appreciate that you've been able to make the time in your otherwise busy Saturday schedules to be here for this occasion. I think for me it's very important that we're finally able to put some live faces to the photos that we've been seeing on the Moodle site, and it's very, very exciting for me, and I guess it is for all of you participants who are here. It's the day for you to receive your awards and for the VC to officially give you your certificates, and so I won't say much, but you'll allow me to say that at the beginning of it all, I've been in Maseno for the last 1.5 years. When I came in, I was asked by the management to carry out an audit of e-learning in Maseno. And what I found out was that there were several departmental initiatives, but they were not documented, and they were also not coordinated. So one of the first assignments that I embarked on was to document and also support some of the departmental initiatives that were going on. I must say that the Maths Department have shown that e-learning is possible. And of course, you participants will testify to the fact that it is also very demanding and challenging. We have learned a lot of lessons in the journey that we have walked with you the last couple of months, and we certainly have a lot to share with the other members of staff on what we need to put in place to make e-learning work, particularly with regards to the admission process, the payment process, and general logistics regarding support systems for learners. Other players in e-learning in Maseno are here, and it is my pleasure today to share with the rest of the university community that e-learning can never be a one-man's job. Everyone in the COG has to do their work and has to have a passion for it, and I've got immense support from the finance department, from Interlink, from Director PR, and also from the admissions office, the academic division. They will share what their impressions have been in this journey. Beyond ESMS, we also have other courses that are being developed in other departments. We have a total of 26 courses, which we hope will be completed by the beginning of September. We also have lined up another 42 courses so that we can get some BBA and PGD courses online by September. And it is a tall order. We hope we will be able to make it with the immense goodwill that we have got from the administration. I would like to say thank you to David, to Professor Ngati, to Professor Ugonji, Dr. Roger Stan for making this possible. Before I sit down, I'd like to share with you what my experience was with Dr. Roger Stan. I'd just been appointed e-learning coordinator, and he came to my office just 2 months later. And he said, "You don't have staff?" I said, "No, I'm the only staff. You don't have a learning management system?" I said, "No, I don't." Then he said, "You must feel really intimidated. You must feel really, that must be really scary." But then he offered me an olive branch. He said, "You can use our platform, the Reading University e-learning platform, to launch some of your early courses." And that was very helpful, Dr. Stan, and it helped me to demonstrate to the university what online learning was all about before we were ready to put up the infrastructure for it. Thank you very much, and welcome to this function. Thank you.
Thank you, Betty. Can we have a participant representative? I'm told you're starting with Susan.